Good day everyone, I am Teofilo Harisi Paet and I'm here with
J. Brian Dizon.
I will ask him 10 questions about the gym. He is a muscle builder. Number 1, how did you come up with this type of activity? What motivates you?
Currently, I don't have a motivation kasi gusto ko mag-gym kasi libangan ko lang siya. Ayun lang.
Number 2, what is the most challenging part as a gym instructor or a muscle builder?
Hardest part, siguro kapag conflict yung time. Like, wala kang libreng oras para makapag-gym dahil nga sa dami ng trabaho outside of school. Ayun po.
Number 3, what are your personal fitness goals?
Ang fitness goal ko sa ngayon ay siguro mag-gain yung strength na gusto ko. Tapos, pag nag-gain ko na yun, dun ako magka-cut, which is diet. Ayun po.
Number 4, what are the problems you have encountered before, during, and after the activity?
Before, siguro kapag napasobra yung warm-up, ganun. Kasi nagka-cardio ako, 5 to 10 minutes and napapagod na ako nun. And wala na akong lakas para bumuhat. Ayun. Kaya nagre-result yun na yung PR ko hindi ko nai-hit. Ayun.
Number 5, how did you balance between foods, career, and your activity?
Foods, career, and activity. Sa foods naman, natural ako. Lahat ng niluluto ng nanay ko is kinakain ko. Most of the time sa pagkain ko galing sa niluluto ng magulang ko. And sa career naman, hindi ko ako ganong nagpo-focus kasi nga online class tayo, ganyan, nahihirapan ako, ganun. So, may question po, ano po bang career yun?
Yung parang sa academics mo ganun. Parang yun na rin.
Okay, academic. Sa ngayon, to be honest, nahihirapan ako kasi since online class siya, mahirap kapag walang instructor and mainit sa bahay. Mahirap mag-aral, to be honest. Ayun.
Number 6, when you feel pain or discomfort, how do you manage these problems? Paano mo i-handle siya?
Discomfort sa during the workout.
O para, tas pressure na rin kasi you're a student and you're going to the gym.
Ayun. Siguro, nagre-rest ako 2 to 5 minutes before mag-start ng another set. Ayun. Ayun.
Number 7, how is your current weight affecting your life now?
My current weight is still ganun pa rin naman since nag-bulk ako. Nag-lose ako ng weight before pero nag-bulk ulit ako dahil yung desired strength ko is hindi ko makuha. Ayun.
Number 8, how do you determine the best training program?
The best training program, siguro yung kada day, iba-iba tayo ng muscle group, ng muscle na hinihit. Like example, yung binigay ng coach ko, sa day 1, chest tricep, sa day 2, bicep back, sa day 3, legs, shoulder, abs, then rotation yun. So 6 times a week siya yung total. Ang rest ko lang is Sunday.
Sunday.
Oh.
Number 9, what are the strengths and weaknesses of a gym instructor or a muscle builder during the activity?
Weakness ko siguro kapag hindi ako nakapag-warm up ng tama or pag napasobra siya, ayun. Kapag, anong tanong mo ulit?
What are your strengths and weaknesses during the activity?
Strength and weaknesses. Siguro, ang strength ko sa upper, ang weakness ko siguro sa lower part ng aking katawan. Such as legs or abs. Ayun. Dalawa lang.
What are the tips that you can give to those who want to try this activity?
Ang tip ko ay syempre bago sila pumunta sa gym siguro pa-condition muna nila yung sarili nila, like kumpletuhin nila yung tulog nila sa loob ng 2 weeks, tapos mag-exercise sila, mag-push up, mag-jogging sa yun, yung mag-workout sa bahay like push up, jumping rope, yun ganun, mag-jogging,
So that's it guys. Thank you.
po for-
Thank you, Jay Diza.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for the interview.